things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It is Wednesday, January 14th, and the SPY is trying to hang on to that 8 EMA. So, oh gosh, it's working hard this morning. You can see we're slightly below it. We're going to be bearish below 691. Keep in mind, 690.50 is another good level to go short today. That 15 EMA would be our first target, and then the 20 exponential, 20 simple, and the 30 simple and exponential. If we do head on down, it could be a volatile day today. We have bank earnings out this morning. I'll go over my favorites in a bit, but yeah, it could definitely be a market mover. We've got a lot of pivots above us. See all these guys? So it's really tough to map out the bullish above. I went up here to this pocket. So bullish above 695.25. Let's go over the IWM as well. A little bit different with the pivots. We're kind of stuck in them right now. Bullish above 263. I went all the way up here though. Bear below 260. Big pocket. So just really going with these trades. This is kind of our no trade zone, or if you want to scalp, go for it. If you're good at it, try to be a little bit more conservative. The Q's bullish above 628. Bear below 620. You can see there's a huge pocket. So let's watch that carefully. Let's go to the futures. E-minis bullish above 7,005. We've been flirting with that 7,000 level for quite a couple days. Haven't been able to trend higher though. Bear below 69.65. We have a lot of whale trades. Yeah, so keep in mind, kind of in between them, but watch those. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 25,975, bear below 25,700. Oil futures, let's check those out. Bullish above 62. Oil is super hot. We pointed this out the other day that we went above this trend line. Right, that is the T-spot, the trend change, and look how fast it moves once we change the trend. Yeah, so 62.25 is our next level. Bullish above, bear below 60.50. Let's head on over to gold, which is making higher highs, all-time highs this morning, along with silver. Bullish above 46.50. Bear below 4,600. So we tested the 4,650 level already once. So yeah, second time's the charm. And let's go to Bitcoin futures because they have jumped the creek this morning. Yeah, we've been watching this for how long, you guys? Oh my gosh, 2 months now I've been talking about this. Finally happened. The question is it going to stay above the creek or not? Or is it going to fill in that gap? So I do like this pocket right here. If it does move forward up to that 97,500 level, but bullish above 96,000. Sorry, 97,000. 97,500. Yeah, that's going to be the next big resistant area if it's a gap and go higher, or if it's a pop and drop, bear below 94,500. All right, bank stocks. Wells Fargo probably has the most volume this morning. Or it did early. So bullish above 94.50, bear below 92, just triggered. 91.75 is the next level. I see this big hole on my chart. Yeah, down to 90. So I would expect it probably to fill in there. There's going to be algos loaded to buy if it touches down on that 50 simple moving average. So that's why those are my targets. Let's go to Bank of America. Bullish above 55.50, bear below 54. Trigger, this is a little bit tricky of a trade because we do have a Camarilla at 53.87. And then we got the 65 EMA. I just want to point out this really is the big pocket. You can chisel in here. I wanted you to enter here, putting your stop like right there, but because it might come down here and kind of bounce a little bit before heading down. Yeah, if it does. So it could be a little bit tricky. It was a little bit tough for me to pick the level. All right, silver. I mean, this is just incredible, you guys. There is a new level of pain. Margin calls are being triggered. And that is pushing silver higher. All right, so bullish above 82.50 triggered. 83, let's see, 83.25 I would be bullish above, and bear below 80. Let's go to SLV. Bullish, I'm not, sorry, it's not SLV. IREN, I'm totally obsessed with silver, I guess. IREN, bullish above 54.20. Bear below 51.80 for IREN. We got, yeah, a bunch of crypto stocks. ETHA, bullish above 25 today. Bear below 24. And we got a little China mixed in there. BABA. Yeah, look at that gap. Is it going to be a gap and go higher or pop and drop? So bullish above 173.50. Bear below 172. Well, the drop is on. It triggered. The only thing is like 171.50 is the next level. Just watch out on this 5-minute chart for this 65 EMA at 171.23. So I'd really pick like 171 to be my next big level. Okay, yeah, that's what I would pick for the next one. Just because that one moving average, it should have a bounce off that. Let's go to Netflix. We've had lots of dark pool activity for, well, I got like 6 weeks at least. Yep, and it looks like the tide is turning. So let's watch this one for a swing trade possibly later. But for a day trade, bullish above 92.50, bear below 89.75. I did post all the recent dark pool prints. We are above this first one. I'd like it to close above a couple more for confirmation. Let's go to Intel because that is a miracle. We almost hit that 50 level. Let's see, bullish above 48.75. It might be gunning for it right now. Yeah, here it goes. Right as I speak. Yep, it wants 50. Bear below 47.50. All right, keep in mind R2 is at 49.94, so I would definitely get out just before. Let's go to Riot. This one also looks amazing. We've had a lot of dark pool activity on Riot. It finally broke above the creek here. And we're going to be bullish today up for the day trade above 17.20, bear below 16.50. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, January 14th. Come and join me tomorrow, you guys. I got a lot of good stuff to share with you during the webinar at 4 o'clock. See you there. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.